I will be interviewing the talking stomach, Bob. Hello, Bob.
Hello everyone, this is my buggy. It's so jiggly and yummy.
Wow, you look great today.
Thank you. Can you give me a kiss?
It's okay. I'll skip the kiss today.
Okay. What do you want?
So, how's your job?
It's good. What's that called? I've been eating so much food, so that's why my friend is fat.
Okay, so I see like a lot of food. What do you eat?
I eat people. I eat germs. I eat camera. I eat movie. That's a lot. It's yummy. You should try it.
It's okay.
No vegetable.
Oh, okay. That understand. Okay, so tell me about your next movie.
My next movie will be the one where I will be killing a boy with my gun. And I'll be like Justin Bieber kissing my tummy. Tummy, puppy.
Can I see a short preview of that?
Short preview? Okay.
I'll pretend just Hey, Bob.
Hey, what's up?
What's up, Bob?
You wanna fight?
No!
That's the preview of the movie. Sir.
Good job, Bob. Good job.
Thank you.
That was it. And we will be back soonly.
Oh, wiggle, yeah. Wiggle, yeah. Wiggle, yeah. Wiggle, yeah. Oh, shoot, they saw my face. Oh, my
I
God.
feel like that presentation. Like, Bob. Have a good